Good morning, class 10th. So today we do the question number 6th. 6 is what? A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispherical stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 4 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. Look at the figure. Figure is also given. This is the 14 mm given and this is the 5 mm. Now this is the answer of the given question. This is 5 upon 2 mm because the whole is diameter is given 5, so radius is what? 5 by 2. This is also 5 by 2. Now look at the total size is given 14. This is 5 and this is also radius 5. Okay, sorry, the diameter is 5. This is the diameter is 5 given. Diameter is 5, so radius is what? 5 by 2 means 2.5. This is also 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5. 2.5, this is radius 2.5 and this is also 2.5. Now look at that. This is given 2.5. This is also 2.5. This is also 2.5 and this is also 2.5. So total is given 14. This is 2.5, this is 2.5 and 2.5. So 14 minus total is what? 5. 14 minus 5, the height of the cylinder we get 9. Now surface area of capsule. 2 multiply CSA of hemisphere, these two hemisphere are there, plus CSA of cylinder part. 2 into 2 pi r square, 2 pi rh, that is 4 pi r square, 2 pi rh, 2 pi r is the common. Remainder is what? 2r plus h. This is the remaining one. Okay, now put the values. 2 pi r value 5 by 2, then 2 into 5 by 2 plus height is given 9, and after solving we get 220 millimeter square. This is the surface area of the given part, given solid. Now question number 7. Seventh is what? A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. So cylinder is there, after that a conical top is there on surmounted. Surmounted means up one. Okay, if the height and diameter of the cylinder part are 2.1 and 4 meter, height is given 2.1 and diameter is 4 meter, and the slant height of the top is given 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent, and also find the cost of the canvas for the tent at the rate of 500 per meter square. Now look at the answer of 7th one. This is the conical top and this is the cylinder. Radius is 2 meter and 4 meters diameter. 2.1 is the height, 2.8 is slant height. Area of canvas we have to find. So CSA of that conical part up one plus CSA of cylindrical part. Clear? So CSA of conical part pi RL and plus 2 pi RH. Now one more thing that you have to ask, sir, why I have taken the cylinder CSA? Because down one is also there. Now look at that. This is clear. In the tent down one is not there because tent is open from the bottom. Oh, clear? So pi RL plus 2 pi RH, pi R common, L plus 2H. Now put the values only, R values, L, H values, and solve it. You will get the answer 44 meter square. Clear? Now cost of 1 meter square is given 500. So cost of 14 meter is 44 meter square is 500 into 44. So 2200 rupees. 22000. 22,000 is the answer. Clear? Now next question. Now question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. So find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Now listen carefully. So a cylinder is given whose height and diameter is given. Conical cavity of that same height and diameter is hollowed out. Clear? So cone 1 is hollowed out. So find the total surface area of the remaining solid. Now look at the answer. If this is the cylindrical tank and cone 1, this one cone 1 is hollowed out. Height 2.5, radius 0.7, diameter is 1.4, so radius is 0.7. So cone is there, I find L. L square R square plus H square. The value of R is 0.7, H is 2.4, square 0.49, 5.76, 6.25. When we will be add, you will get, and the square of 2.5. Clear? The value of L we get. Now TSA of solid we have to find. TSA of solid means what? Now CSA of cylindrical part, first one total cylindrical part plus CSA of conical part inside one. Inside the cone is also there because hollowed out, so shape of cone is there inside one, plus area of base. Base is also there. Clear? Base, which one base? Down one base or upper one base? Area of upper one base we can say. Base is not area of upper one, upper end. We can say area of upper and not base. This one is the base, this one is upper end. So down one is hollowed out. Okay, clearly down one is not there, but upper one end is there. So area of CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus upper one area. Clear? Now 2 pi RH plus pi RL and plus pi R square. So correction is there, base is not there. Here in the place of base I will write base is not there, upper end. Clear? Area of upper end. Now put the values. Pi R is common, 2h plus L plus R. The values of pi 22 upon 7, that's 0.7 upon 10. 2 into 2.4 plus 2.5 plus 0.7, and the 17.60 centimeter square is the answer. So nearest means approx, it will be 18 centimeter square. Clear? Now last question. So question number 9, the wooden article was made by scooping out a hemispherical from each of a solid cylinder shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its radius is 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. Wooden there, then these are the scoops. It will be out, find the total surface area of the article. Now look at the answer. Surface area of the article, CSA of cylindrical part plus 2 into CSA of hemispherical. CSA of hemispherical, these two hemispherical. Clear? So 2 pi RH plus 2 into 2 pi R square, that is 4 pi R square. 2 pi R common, H plus 2 R, put the values of R given, H given. Clearly now solve it, you will get the answer. 374 is the final answer. So is it clear? I will not explain again and again these calculations. I think you know how to do all these calculations. So thank you class.